NTPC Green Energy has won a bid to develop 200 MW, 800 MWh of standalone battery energy storage capacity in West Bengal. The company emerged as the successful bidder in the West Bengal State Electricity Distribution Company Limited 500 MW, 2000 MWh tender. The discovered tariff is 4.35 lakh per megawatt hour per month, with the auction completed on 7th August 2026. Universal Cables plans to expand its medium and high voltage cable manufacturing capacity at its Satna plant in Madhya Pradesh. The expansion is expected to raise capacity to around 35,400 to 35,500 km per year in phases by September 2026 and June 2027. The company will invest an additional 67 crore rupees, taking the overall project cost to 617 crore rupees to meet rising domestic and global demand. Waaree Energies has incorporated a new wholly owned subsidiary WCES2 Private Limited through its subsidiary Waaree Clean Energy Solutions. The new company will operate in the hydrogen business and has been set up to supply green hydrogen. Incorporated on 4th August 2026, the company is based in India and has not yet started operations.